So it's day 2 and day 3, and we are going to the Kuang Si Waterfalls today. So we hired this car, and he's agreed to take us to Kuang Si Waterfalls for 500,000 Laos currency. Hi, so we are on our way to Kuang Si Waterfalls right now. It's going to be 30 kilometers away, and it's going to take us around 1 hour from our hotel. We're on our way. That's our friend Bob driving us to Kuang Si Waterfalls.
Left side, go to the Vientiane.
Okay, so we've stopped on the way on the Souk garden, it's called. That's what we saw on the gate. So this looks to be a pretty beautiful garden. So we've reached the Kuang Si Waterfalls gate, and we need to purchase the tickets right now. So once we buy the tickets, we need to take a buggy service up to the gate of the waterfalls. So we just purchased the tickets at the gate. It costed 60,000 Lao currency per head. So that comes to around 240 rupees per person. That's pretty reasonable amount. Look who's here waiting for us, the bears. having some Coke and chips, taking a break on the journey. The trail continues here. So we are at the top of the Kuang Si Waterfalls. It's right here. You can see right behind me. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks majestic. It looks as if the water is just going to fall on you. And the moment I cross this bridge, I get a full spray of water. I'm already I took one round of shower, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So unfortunately, the color of the water is not turquoise blue because it's the monsoon season. If you come 2 months later, you're going to get a full turquoise blue color. So after the Kuang Si Waterfalls, our friend has taken us to this another waterfall just right behind. Just take a look how gorgeous this is. Hi there. So after being done with the Kuang Si Waterfall, I'm right here. You can't imagine what's going on behind my back. I'm at the Keo Waterfall. This is called the Keo Waterfall, just behind Kuang Si Waterfall. In fact, our car took us right here. We didn't have to walk. We didn't have to do anything. We just came here, and it is absolutely, you can see it. I don't need to explain. The water is just right here, and I'm just chilling out. And you can sit on a table and have lunch here. So it's absolutely majestic feeling altogether. So make sure to come to Keo Waterfall after you are done with Kuang Si. So that's it from our Kuang Si Waterfalls day trip. We are on our way back to Luang Prabang right now, and we'll be hopefully there by in another hour and a half, and we'll be all set for the evening.